Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys how to make this simple spicy soy chicken. Very easy to make and it's so delicious. Before we begin, if you're new here, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. This is what you're gonna need when you're making this chicken. Some garlic powder, paprika and cayenne, a little of ginger powder, lemon juice, cilantro or dhania, soy sauce, cooking oil, and definitely your drumsticks. Make sure you have cut some slit into the drumsticks to allow the marinade to get in and penetrate in so that the chicken comes out flavorful. You can as well use thighs if you do not have the drumsticks. Let's begin by making our marinade. We're adding the garlic powder, paprika and cayenne, ginger powder, the soy sauce, remember the lemon juice, as well as the cooking oil. Should you want some sweetness, feel free to add in something like honey or brown sugar, but just a little bit. It will obviously come out so nice because of the kick, the hot kick of the cayenne pepper. So here just whisk till everything is well combined and the marinade is evened out properly. Next up, pour your marinade onto the chicken and go in with your hands here. But in case you have a marinade, especially the ones that are from Tupperware, feel free to use it. So massage well till that chicken is well coated with that marinade, even on the slits that you did, because a well marinated chicken is a delicious chicken. Once you're done massaging the marinade into the chicken, you can cover with a cling film or put in an airtight container and let it sit for about a minimum of 30 minutes and a maximum of 8 hours. That is overnight. The longer you keep it, the better the results. Next up is laying our chicken onto a baking tray, lined of course with either parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Here I am laying them one by one to make sure they are not touching onto each other for them to steam, but to bake evenly. Bake in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, then flip on the other side another 20 minutes, then you'll be done. For a crispy exterior, you can brush the remaining marinade that you would be having and probably put it in the broiler or the grill for 2 minutes on each side. It will be so crispy and juicy and delicious inside. Right here, it is ready to serve. Garnish with your cilantro or dhania, and you can enjoy with a side of baked potatoes and a salad of veggies. So good. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful and also subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye and Merry Christmas.